I'm Cami Tafoya, professional makeup artist in Arizona, and this is my beautiful model.
I'm Faith Howard, and I'm represented by the agency Arizona.
And I'm going to show you how to do a full fluffy brow. So the first step or trick is to not use an angled eyebrow brush. Now I know this is the brush that everyone tells you that you have to use because it's made for eyebrows, but sometimes it can go on very harsh and dramatic, and it makes it a little harder for you to blend out. So what I like to use instead is a rounded, more fluffier type brush that's not made for eyebrows. And when you use this, it actually diffuses the line for you and blends beautifully on its own. And so today I'm using products by Senna Cosmetics because they're known for their brow products and they're really amazing. I'm using the shade in this powder in the blonde, wiping off the excess and just kind of lightly applying it to the brow. Going in the shape and the direction of how her hair really grows. So just brushing the eyebrows in the direction of the way that her brows naturally grow. It doesn't have to be perfect, that's why we're using this brush. But if you do go outside of the lines, just simply get a Q-tip or a cotton bud and just kind of clean up or use your fingers. Next, I use a brow soap. Any clear soap will work just fine. I like to use this one. You apply a little bit of water onto your soap, brush it on with a mascara wand or brush, and just lightly comb it through the brows. This will actually help the brows separate. The key to a fluffy brow is to have separated full fluffy hairs, and this will actually give your hair the texture it needs to separate itself. And if you're not a model like Faith and have the beautiful fluffy brows already, they do have brow serums and brow gels that you can use to actually help your hair grow. I'm using a pencil just to fill in any little spots that she may have that need to be filled in. So Faith, how do you typically like to do your brows?
I usually like to do them a little bit more dramatic, a little darker, a little more full, definitely.
So you're definitely not afraid to use makeup and get in there and create your own brow?
Nope, not at all.
Awesome. And see, that's the thing. Have fun with it. Play with your eyebrows. It's just makeup. You can wash it off. I like a more dramatic brow. I like a more villain type brow. Just combing this in lightly, fluffing the hairs out. This is more about texture versus about makeup. And that's it. How to achieve a full fluffy brow. Make sure you like and subscribe below.
Bye. Thank you for watching.